In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently delete transactions in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're cleaning up your records or simply removing duplicate entries, this process can help you maintain precise financial records. Let's dive in and get started. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the QuickBooks Intuit website. You can do this from any web browser. Just type in quickbooks.intuit.com and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the sign-in option. This is usually on the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Enter your login credentials carefully, as they are key to accessing your financial information securely. After successfully logging in, the second step involves going to the Transactions or Banking page. Now on the left side of your QuickBooks dashboard, you'll find a navigation menu. Here you'll see options such as Home, Sales, Expenses, and Reports. But for our purpose today, you should click on either Banking or Transactions. Choosing either of these options will lead you to the subsequent banking page. Don't worry, both paths lead to the same destination, ensuring that you can follow whichever is easiest for you. Now that you're on the banking page, your next task is to select the correct account. You should see a list of all financial accounts connected to your QuickBooks. Take a moment to identify the one containing the transactions you wish to delete. This is important because selecting the wrong account could result in across-the-board changes to your financial data. So, be attentive here and double-check if needed. With the correct account open, you're ready to select the transactions you want to remove. Browse through the listed entries and, when you identify the transactions you want to delete, check the small boxes next to each of these items. It's important to ensure these are indeed the transactions you intend to remove, as doing this wrong could affect your financial records. Once you've selected all the transactions for deletion, it's time to act. Find and click the Batch Actions drop-down menu, or in some versions, it may be conveniently labeled as Batch Delete. A simple click here prepares you for the final step of our process today, and now we confirm deletion. A prompt will likely appear asking you if you're sure about removing these transactions. Click on the delete button to confirm. Remember, once deleted, these transactions are gone for good. They'll be permanently removed from your record, so make sure your choices were correct. And there you have it, a straightforward way to delete unwanted transactions in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay organized and keep your bookkeeping accurate. Until next time, take care.